Guys, do you ever feel like your TV viewing experience is missing something? Well, I mean, apart from something good to watch other than reality TV. Well, I've got something a little bit different to show you today. This is the Linkind Smart TV Strip, and smart it is. Now, I've seen something like this built into Philips TVs, right? But not really standalone like this. As let's face it, we want to pick our own tech, right? So we don't want to be locked in to a particular TV manufacturer. But I have to say, this little gadget has seriously impressed me over the past few weeks. So if you want to see how it can transform your movie nights and gaming sessions, stick around. I'll be back in just a few seconds. What's up YouTube? Dave here with Seen Through a Lens, and thanks for stopping by the channel. We make lifestyle videos and all things tech, so if that's your kind of thing, then please consider subscribing to the channel and clicking on the bell icon so you can be notified of new videos. So guys, yes, this is the Smart Strip Light from Linkind, and in a nutshell, this setup uses LEDs and signals from your HDMI kit to add meaningful ambient lighting around your TV. Now, before we get into it, Linkind sent me this smart LED lighting setup to review in exchange for my honest opinion. And guys, you know that whatever I review, you're always going to get my honest opinion, good, bad, or indifferent. So let's get this out of the box and see what we have. So guys, open up the box and we have a power adapter with a dodgy plug. Okay, it's not really dodgy, but it does have US pins, so we're going to need an adapter to plug that in, no problem. Got plenty of those. We also have an HDMI 2.0 cable to hook up to our gear. We got some clips so we can fix the light strips neatly, and we also have some other clips and sticky pads, and we have the controller box and the two light strips themselves with USB-A plugs on the end. Now, looking around the controller box, and we have two USB-A ports for the light strips to be plugged into, one labeled top and the other bottom. More on that later. We also have the HDMI ports, a power port, and a reset button. Now, first things first, guys, let's get these light strips installed. I mean, it's all pretty easy, and getting it looking neat was a breeze. Just fit your corners with the adhesive tabs onto the back of your TV, put in your top row, then put in your bottom row, and then connect up the HDMI controller box. Now, configuring these, if you really want to, you can find some movie clips on YouTube with color wheels and stuff like that, and you can go down that road to sort of check and test the accuracy, but it's not really essential. It's just a good way to demo this. Then guys, connect up the HDMI sync box to your device, power up, and you are good to go. Now, you might be wondering about lag. Well, I was too. But you know what? I've been really impressed. The sync is pretty much instant. I can't notice any delay. Also, guys, there's an app. Well, of course there is. It's called AI Dot, and it's pretty straightforward to use. You can adjust brightness, change colors, even set up routines. Even if you want to turn your lights on automatically, you get to do that, you know, quite easily. And you can also hook it up to ALEXA. Can't say the word because my one will go mad and start trying to do stuff. And also, guys, the app has some preset modes. There's party mode, Christmas mode, which is pretty appropriate. And as it's New Year's Eve, you know, that's a nice thing to have on in the background. There's even romance. I mean, you name it, it's got it. And it's great for setting the mood, whatever you're up to. Now, point to note is that this TV strip works with TVs up to 90 inches wide. Well, it's a diagonal really, it's not wide. Installation is simple, like I said, you just attach those corner bits and then the strips. You got that strip on the top, strip on the bottom, and then you can cut them perfectly to size. I've been using this with a number of devices, HDMI devices that is, and it works flawlessly. It's not just for movies. I mean, if you're a gamer, this adds a whole new dimension to your play. I mean, if you've got like dark scenes and your room's dark, or you've got explosions or something like that, I'll tell you what, it all goes to add to the fun of what you're doing. And get this, guys, you can also sync them with other smart lights in your home. I mean, imagine your whole room changing colour with the movie you're watching. Could be a bit much, right? But could be pretty cool too. I mean, you guys decide on that. And before you ask, yes, like I said, it's also compatible with Alexa and Google Home. So you know what? You can add it to your smart routines. And talking about real world uses, like I said, movie night, the Strip adds depth to every scene, you know, and even things like horror films, right? I mean, if you've got a horror film and the room's dark and then suddenly something bursts to life, well, I think that's all going to add to that jumpiness of the film. So, you know what? I think it could be pretty cool. And you might not want to use it all the time. You know what? You can turn it off, turn it on, not a problem. And for music lovers, there's a music sync feature. It reacts to the beat of your tunes, creating a little mini light show. Do you remember the old sound to light at the discos? Discos, anybody? Yeah, okay, maybe not. But one thing I really enjoyed using it for is ambient lighting. Instead of having your main lights on, you know what? You can just pop on the TV strip and it creates a cozy atmosphere, especially on those winter evenings. So guys, there you have it, the TV strip. It's a smart TV strip from Linkind. It's easy to install, simple to use, and really enhances your viewing experience. Whether you're a movie buff, a gamer, or just someone that likes cool tech or light, it's worth checking out. And now guys, what does all of that beautiful light cost? Well, right now it's around $98. I'll leave any links and any codes in the description. And guys, if you've got any comments or questions, then please leave them below. And if you like the video, then please give it a thumbs up. It really does make a difference. And if you'd like to see more of my content, then please subscribe and click on that bell icon so you can be notified of new videos. Thanks to you guys for watching, and thanks to Linkind for sending me these cool smart lights to review. I'm Dave with Seen Through a Lens, and I will see you the next time. Bye for now.